What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we'll be taking a first look at Android Q build for OnePlus 6. So without further ado, let's get started. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So guys, as you can see, I've already installed it on my device and the installation process can be found at the end of this video. Now let me show you the software information by going to System, About, and here you can see Android version is Android Q. Security patch level is 5th Jan 2019 and this is an aosp build. First of all, I would like to thank Jay for porting this, and this ROM is not at all as stable. Many things are broken, like screen brightness which is set to 100. You can't change that. Phone application doesn't work. Camera application works, you can click pictures, no issues in that. We also don't have Google applications installed on this, so you need to manually flash that. I'm not sure about the process. Once I get it done, I'll update a video on that. So this is your quick setting panel. You have the brightness slider that can't change the brightness level, as you can see here. Applications like Chrome and YouTube, I pushed it manually, it was not available on this ROM. So let's go inside the settings here. Under network and internet, Wi-Fi is working fine. You can connect to your Wi-Fi network. Then you have mobile network, wherein mobile network is also working fine. Here you can see LTE. Outgoing and incoming calls are not working. Then we have connected device. Bluetooth have some kind of issues. I was unable to connect to my Bluetooth device. Then we have apps and notification, where you have options of app permissions, and you can also see the recently opened applications. Then under battery, we have same features what we get it on Android Pie, like battery saver, battery manager, battery percentage can be enabled from here. Under display, night light, adaptive brightness are not working. Colors are also not getting changed. Then we have always on display, which works fine. Under theme section, we have three themes, that is automatic based on wallpaper, light and dark. So dark theme is not working at all. Under sounds, we have basic options, but none of the ringtones are working. Then we have security and location, under which fingerprint. Let's try fingerprint scanner. And fingerprint scanner is working fine. Other than that, we have options like location, show password. So this will show you the applications which are using a location. Under system, we have few gestures available, that is swipe, fingerprint for notification, that does not work at all. Then we have jump to camera, double tap to check the phone, and all these things are not working at all. So guys, as you can see, there are lots of bugs available on this build as of now, as it's an initial build. So you guys can stay tuned, and if you still want to try, then you can follow the video guide of installation. And I'll keep you guys updated whenever we have any new build available for OnePlus 6 based on Android Q. So now let's move on to the installation process. To install Android Q on your OnePlus 6, first of all what you have to do is make sure your device bootloader is unlocked. And if you guys are not aware about unlocking bootloader, I'll mention a video in the description below. You can follow that video guide. My device bootloader is already unlocked and I'm running on Oxygen OS Open Beta 8. I've tried on latest Oxygen OS Open Beta 11, but that did not work out for me. So I downgraded my device to Open Beta 8, and after you are done with that, you need to have one file. So here is the file inside ADB folder, that is Android Q test build for OnePlus 6. So this will be a zip file. You need to right click and extract it. After extracting, you'll have these files available inside the folder. And you also need TWRP recovery file. All these files I've placed inside ADB folder. Make sure to install ADB drivers on your PC. And here I have also made few subfolders for my different devices. So under OnePlus 6, you can see I have the test build and I also have the TWRP recovery. After you have all these things, what you have to do is you need to go to your device, tap build number 7 times until you see you are a developer now. Then you need to go to system, developer option. If a device bootloader is not unlocked, you need to enable this OEM unlocking, as it is already unlocked, so I don't have to do that. Enable advanced reboot and also enable USB debugging. Once you are done with that, now boot your device into fast boot mode by long pressing power key and tap bootloader. After you boot into fast boot mode, here you can see device state is unlocked. So now I'll connect my device to PC. Then I'll open up command prompt here inside the ADB folder, where I have ADB drivers installed. To open command prompt, you can type CMD in the address bar, hit enter. Now check whether device is connected properly in fastboot mode or not by typing command fastboot devices and hit enter. So this will show you one serial number. It means your device is connected in the fast boot mode. So now what you have to do is now you need to open the folder which you have extracted, that is qtest build. Here you need to run flasher_windows. So double click on this. This process might take 3 to 4 minutes. Once this process is completed, it will give you a message that press any key to exit. So let's exit this now. Now what you have to do is your device will be still in fast boot mode. Will flash TWRP recovery, like we'll boot the TWRP recovery. So here is the TWRP recovery now. Now to boot TWRP recovery, I'll again open command prompt by typing cmd in the address bar, and I'll give a command fastboot boot and the name of the recovery. So I've renamed the recovery to TWRP. Then we'll type TWRP followed by .img and hit enter. Now your device will boot into TWRP recovery. So as you can see, my device boots into TWRP recovery. Now let me reduce the brightness first. Now what you have to do is you need to go to your PC. Inside this qtest build, copy this Android Q patches and paste it inside the internal storage. Once you have pasted that, now you need to go to mount vendor, go back, go to install and flash this patch file. Once done, just hit reboot and wait for your device to boot up. So as you can see, your device will boot up in no time. It will hardly take 10 to 15 seconds to boot up. So now let me show you the software information. I had to decrease the brightness because this ROM has a brightness bug and brightness remains on 100%. Settings, system, and here you can see Android version is Android Q, security patch level is 5th Jan 2019. So guys, this way you can install Android Q on your OnePlus 6, and if you have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.